Okay, continue the lesson. Beginning the second part of the scene. The first scene was the conversation between the mother, Amal and the doctor. Now, the second scene you can see that mother went for work and Amal is sitting by the window in his room and a watchman enters and he passes by Amal's window. Who was passing through the window side or through the road? A watchman. Amal, hi, there is the watchman on his rounds. Watchman, I say come and have a word with me. So he was sitting near to the window side and he was calling the watchman. Watchman, you please come to me and have a talk to you. The watchman, aren't you afraid of the likes of me? Are you afraid of me? No. Why should I be? Amal was telling, why I should be afraid of you? And watchman, suppose I march you out straight to the king. I march you out straight to the king. He was telling that if I'll go straight to the king, what I will do? Amal is having a doubt. Amal, to the king? Will you? But the doctor won't let me go out. No one can ever take me away. I have got to stay here all day long. He was telling, I cannot come with you because the doctor had advised me to sit in the room itself. And no, you cannot take me out. Watchman, doctor, won't you let you out? Poor fellow. So I see your face is pale and there are dark rings around your eyes. Your veins stick out from your poor thin hands. And the watchman is telling that you are so tired. Okay? That shows in your face. Your face is pale. Pale means colorless. And there are dark rings around your eyes. When we will get so tired, we may have a small dark near around our eyes. That one only the watchman is telling. Your veins stick out from your poor thin hands. Okay? And Amal, won't you sound the gong? Okay? Gong. Gong means G-O-N-G, gong. Okay, the word. It is a round piece of metal that is hanging on the side or in front of the house or like a post office or a school or something like that, and they used a stick to ring the metal. Okay, so what they will do, they will make sound with that, just like the calling bells or school bells. You might have seen the school bell that is hanging in front of our schools. Okay, it's a round metal and it may have a hammer, and with the hammer it hit on it, the bell will ring, you will hear the sound. Okay, so that is the making sound, that is the gong here. Okay, watchman, I love to hear your gong. Tell me, why do you play your gong? And he has having a doubt. He was asking, why are you playing all these things? When are you going to play that sound? And the watchman, I play it to tell people that time waits for none but goes on forever. So he said the reason. So I will ring the bell if there is no time. That is the exact time. That means when did our school's bell will ring? Before starting our schools, isn't it? First bell and second bell, then third bell, and then our classes will begin, isn't it? Okay. On the same way only, here also the watchman was telling that there is no time for the next actions. Before that only it will be done, gone forever. Amal, where to which land? Watchman, no one knows. And he was asking where this sound goes. Okay, so he was telling no one knows where the sound goes. Amal say, what's going on there in that big house on the other side that has a flag flying high up and people always going in and out. Watchman. Oh, there? Yes. That's our new post office. So the watchman is telling that there is a new post office over there, and in there only the people are coming in and going out. Then Amal is having another doubt. What is that? Whose post office? The watchman said, whose? Why? The king's. Of course. Whose post office is that? That is the king's post office. Amal, do letters come from the king to his office here? And again he is asking to the watchman whether the king will write letter to this post office. His letters may come into the post office. Watchman, of course. And one fine day there may be a letter for you in there. And he was telling to Amal, see, surely you also will get a letter from the king one day. So anxious, Amal, a letter for me? But I am only a little boy. He is telling, no, how can it be possible? I am only a small boy. Watchman, the king sends tiny notes to little boys. And the watchman said, the king used to send messages to the little boys like a tiny notes. That means small letters. Okay? Amen. But who will fetch the king's letter to me when it comes? And again he is having a doubt. What did he ask? Who will fetch the king's letter to me when it comes? Fetch means bring. Who will bring letter to me? Watchman. The king has many postmen. Don't you see them? Run about with round gilt badges on their chest. The king has many postmen. The king is having so many postmen. They used to bring the letter and they can notify them because they may have a gold or gold paint gilt covered with a layer on their chest. Okay, just like badge. Okay, you may have your school badge, isn't it? Just like that, the postman is also having a badge. They used to keep it on their chest. Amen. I'll be the king's postman when I grow up. So he said, then I will become a postman when I grow up. Watchman? Watchman again asking, postman? Indeed, rain or shine, rich or poor, from house to house, delivering letters, that's a great work. There is the village headman. I must be off. If he catches me gossiping with you, there will be a great to do. So, the postman's work is not an easy thing, he was telling to Amal. He was telling that they had to see whether it is a rain or a sunlight, rich or poor, from each house they have to go and give the letters. It's a great job. And then he was looking and saying that there is village headman is standing there. If he will see me, if I am standing here and gossiping with you, it will be a problem. Gossiping means talking with you like this. And he, the watchman, walks away quickly. Amal, who are you walking there? How your ankles tingle. Do stop a while, dear, won't you? So, now the next person is passing over it. Okay, now, so far he was talking to the watchman and talking about the post office and how the letters will be delivered, all these kinds of matters. Okay. Now coming to the next part, he is looking through his window and he found a girl was walking through it.